Welcome to Beautyistic. What if I told you that one of the most effective ways to battle the signs of aging happens while you're sleeping? Well, RoC's Multi Correxion 5-in-1 Restoring Anti-Aging Night Cream is designed to do just that. This product promises a game-changing formula to tackle everything from fine lines and wrinkles to uneven skin tone while you sleep. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So what's inside the jar? This night cream boasts Hexinol technology, a patented ingredient that aims to rejuvenate your skin by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while also working on discoloration and dark spots. It's a potent combination of active ingredients that make this more than just your average moisturizer. The formula includes glycerin, which acts as a humectant to draw moisture into the skin, ensuring it stays hydrated overnight. It's non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores, so even those with acne-prone skin can use it without worry. But the real star here is the Hexinol, which is marketed as the key to improving the skin's texture and promoting firmness. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I've used this cream for several weeks, incorporating it into my nightly routine. The texture is smooth, not too heavy, and absorbs quickly into the skin. Perfect for a night cream that doesn't leave your pillow feeling greasy. I noticed my skin felt significantly more hydrated after the first use, and over time, my complexion appeared more even-toned. There was a noticeable reduction in the visibility of fine lines around my forehead and mouth. I'm not talking about a drastic change, but a subtle improvement that is really encouraging for those seeking long-term results. The best part? It didn't irritate my sensitive skin, which can be a deal breaker for many anti-aging products. But let's balance this out. There are a couple of things to consider. First, if you're someone looking for an immediate, dramatic transformation, this may not be your miracle in a jar. RoC promises visible results in about 4 weeks, which is a realistic time frame for anti-aging products, but it's not an instant fix. Also, while the scent is light, it might not be for everyone. Personally, I didn't mind it, but if you're sensitive to fragrance in your skincare, you might want to keep that in mind. When it comes to value for money, RoC's pricing sits in the mid-range. For 1.7 ounces of product, it's not the cheapest, but it's reasonable given the quality of the ingredients and the long-term benefits. You're paying for effective anti-aging technology, and honestly, when it comes to skincare, that's something worth investing in. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're on a tighter budget or looking for a similar effect, there are some options out there with comparable ingredients. You might want to look at Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair or Olay's Regenerist Night Recovery Cream. Both offer similar hydration and wrinkle-reducing benefits, although they may not have the proprietary Hexinol technology that RoC features. As for the build quality, the packaging is standard for RoC, simple and functional. The jar is sturdy, and while I'm personally not a huge fan of jars, they can be less hygienic than pumps, it does provide you with full access to the product without waste. Plus, it's travel-friendly, so that's a win. So, what's the final verdict? RoC's Multi Correxion 5-in-1 Night Cream is a solid choice for those who are looking to address multiple signs of aging without an overwhelming skincare routine. It offers real, noticeable improvements in skin texture, tone, and hydration. The formula is gentle enough for everyday use, and it doesn't break the bank. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially for those in their late 20s to early 40s looking to start incorporating anti-aging products into their routine. If you're after a product with proven science behind it and are patient enough to wait for those subtle results, this is definitely worth considering. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our honest reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you content that's helpful and unbiased. If you've tried this night cream, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Did it work wonders for you, or did you find it didn't quite meet your expectations? Let me know. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.